Solve the equation. Solution. We have 1 divided by 2p plus 2 divided by p minus 25 equals to 0. Now, we can move 2 divided by p minus 25 to the right hand side. So that would be 1 over 2p equals to what? When we move this to the right, we have minus 2 divided by p minus 25. So, since we're having this, we still have 0 here, so it's 0 minus 2 divided by p minus 25. Don't let us forget that 0. Take note. So we have 1 divided by 2p equals to 0 minus this. What do we have? We have minus 2 divided by p minus 25. At this point, we can now cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have p 1 into p minus 25 equals to 2p times minus 2. By expanding the bracket, 1 times p we have p, 1 times minus 25 we have minus 25. Now 2p times minus 2, what do we have? That's minus 4p. Now the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. So we now have p plus, by the time minus 4p move to the left, we have plus 4p. And moving minus 25 to the right, what do we have? We have plus 25. To change to positive, because we are moving minus 25 to the right, we have positive. So p plus 4p. P is same thing as 1p. So 1p plus 4p will give us 5p equals to 25. Now, the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 5 because we want to find the value of p. So 5p divided by 5 equals to 25 divided by 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So this is equals to 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. This implies that p equals to 5. Hence, the solution to this problem is p equals to 5. Thank you.